Teely. Of course, you know by now Donald Trump is America's 45th president, and we're following the reactions that are taking place right here at home and across the globe for you. For now, we want to cross over live and speak to my colleague Rashid Ronald, who is in Kogalo, and he is going to be telling us what's happening there. Remember that yesterday they had a mock election in which Hillary Clinton won, but the real election, it's a different story. Rashid, what are people saying there? Yesterday it was a different scene, I'm sure.
Thank you very much, Betty Chalo, in studio there. I'm actually in a place called Nyangoma. We were here yesterday, and there was a lot of excitement yesterday here, and people had a mock election, and Hillary Clinton won overwhelmingly against Donald Trump. And people were expecting that Barack Obama's choice, Hillary Clinton, was going to win this election. And the people were happy, excited yesterday. But today, it's a little bit lukewarm. People are like not happy. They are wondering what happened. They actually, a lot of the expression has been brought down by the win by Donald Trump. Probably, Betty, I'll try and speak to a few of guys here who are right behind me, just to get a feel of their feelings. My friend, probably start with your name and tell me, how do you feel about what happened in America?
Okay, my name is Steven Junior Okungu, a resident of Nyangoma, Kogelo. Okay, as you can see me, I'm not that happy man today, because yesterday as we were doing our elections here, for me I voted for Hillary Clinton. I believed in her, being that she's a woman of great substance. Being that Donald Trump, media, a reality show personality, a businessman, a tycoon that he is, I saw that figure. I saw Hillary Clinton going to beat him, given that we had the president, Barack Obama, giving her a lot of support, and also the former president, Bill Clinton, the husband to Hillary Clinton. I feel the elections were not really fair. For me, they were not fair. Clinton should have won, just the same way he had more votes in Kogelo compared to the United States. Yeah.
Thank you very much. We've had Betty. They feel like the election was not free and fair. That's their own take. Also, I have a few of your colleagues around. Probably, what's your feeling? I'll hold it for you, don't worry.
Oh, my feelings, I voted for Clinton.
Can raise your head a bit.
But actually, our expectation was not fulfilled. We are very much unfortunate to get the person whom we did not expect. Actually, the people of Kogelo are very much annoyed.
Yeah, the people of Kogelo are very much annoyed. You've heard it again. I also want to have another resident of Kogelo. What do you think about the results?
My name is called William Odhiambo. I'm not happy with it anymore because I was expecting Hillary Clinton to be the winner of this election due to our brother Barack Obama was supporting him much more. And due to our development, some have not been completed. And we were thinking that if Hillary wins, they will be completed as soon as possible.
Yeah, Betty, you've heard, that is just a sample of the feelings around Nyangoma. Remember Nyangoma, this is where Barack Obama was born, and you've heard that some of them were feeling that there are some projects which had been started by the Barack Obama administration, and they were expecting that if Hillary Clinton was going to be elected, then she was going to complete some of the few projects. Remember, thanks to Obama, we have the Mama Sarah Obama Foundation, which is helping vulnerable children from the vulnerable children, and also we have the road which was tarmacked from here all the way to Mama Sarah Obama's home. Then it goes all the way to Siaya. So they were expecting that there are more goodies who are going to come. Even now that Barack Obama was going to become a senior citizen of America, he was going to spend most of his time in trying to ensure that he uplifts at least their standard of living here in Nyangoma, because this is the land where his father was actually born. That's all we have from here. Betty, back to you in Nairobi.
Well, Rashid, before I let you go, what are their feelings about Malik Obama, who came out in the last maybe 1 month ago, and supported Donald Trump?
And of course, Malik Obama indicated openly that he was not going to support Hillary Clinton, and he said he's going to vote for Donald Trump. And also, even remember, Donald Trump invited Malik Obama to the U.S. during his last Republican convention. People are not really very happy. And even as we speak right now, I'm sure he's not going to find it easy here in Nyangoma. People might feel that probably he might have played a role in that. You can imagine, those are feelings, those are political feelings around here. People are really not happy about Malik Obama. The stand he took does not resonate with what they wanted here in Nyangoma, Betty.